Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger and servant and Prophet Muhammad, and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, today's topic is don't consume any wrong thought, as well as you don't want to consume any wrong food. Our all activities, tasks, and actions based on our belief, and belief based on our thoughts, and thoughts based on our information. And information could be right, and information could be wrong. But if you receive any wrong information from anyone, then your thought will develop on wrong information. That means you got wrong thought. If you get any wrong thought, that means your belief will establish on wrong thought. If you get any wrong thought, that means you got wrong belief. If you get any wrong belief, then you will do your work on wrong way. And if you do anything wrong, then you must receive very, very harmful result. So, my dear brothers and sisters, any wrong thought can destroy your whole life, your whole career. When we get any food, when we want to take any food or any drinks, we try to check out, we try to test before consuming that food. Is this food suitable for my health or not? Is this food right or wrong? But when we receive any thought, any information from other people, we don't check out, we don't test, we don't become careful about receiving that thought. Is this thought suitable for me or not? Is this thought right for my life or not? We don't check out, as well as we do in terms of getting food. But if you consume any wrong food, then you will become sick. But there is opportunity to take medication, and perhaps by the grace of Allah, you will return into healthy life after taking medication. But if you consume any wrong thought, any wrong information from anyone, any person, then there is no any medication system. You can't return into healthy life. So any wrong thought can destroy your whole life. So, my dear brothers and sisters, we need to be conscious, we need to be careful, aware about consuming thought, as well as we do about consuming any food. But it is not easy. It is not easy to do. But at first, we have to be conscious, we have to be aware, we have to be careful about receiving any thought from other people, because our thoughts drive our life into right direction or wrong direction. If you receive any wrong thought, then it will drive you into wrong direction. If you receive any right thought, it will drive you into right direction. So, a very, very important matter is to check out what we are consuming, what we are receiving from other people. Thank you very much.